This tutorial will teach you how to make ribbon leaves to use alongside your ribbon flowers. All you need for this is some ribbon and some hand sewing needle and thread. To start with, you want to cut a piece of ribbon that is twice as long as it is wide. Now you want to fold over the top edges of the ribbon to create a triangle. Then you'll want to make a long basting stitch through the base of that triangle. Pull the thread to gather the base of the leaf. You may want to sew back and forth through the base of the leaf to secure the shape. And that's it, you're finished. You've made a super simple ribbon leaf to go with your ribbon flowers.